Kunjini Flower Valley. Avoid going there, which our distance is around 19 kilometers approx. There is no किसी भी video में नहीं मिलेगी in detail to this big cup cafe. It was wasted. This is something you people would love this for sure. Hello people, welcome in my new release from South India. Well, I have recently covered two hill spots in South India which are very famous. One is Coorg in Karnataka and another one is Wayanad in Kerala. Well, in this video, I'm gonna help you with not so Google thing but best real things to do and not to do. How many days required to explore Coorg and a hyped cafe which you should avoid, and some offbeat relaxations to make your experience happening. You won't find this information in any other video, so I insist that you should watch this video till the end so you collect as much information as you can. So let's get it started. So I went to Coorg from Bangalore via road, so it took us around 7 hours of drive, which includes our tea breaks and lunch breaks. The drive was amazing and very different for me. Why? Because, well, this was my first road trip and different because I have been traveling mountainside, mostly the hilly areas, and I've seen a twisting road. So मुझे वही पहाड़ों में दिखा है और रोड भी ऐसी काफ़ी roll around ऐसे होते थे. This is like a flat road with clear sky and surrounded with lots of greenery around. Well, one should expect rain anytime in any month here in Coorg or some south part of India because and trust me, this is an add-on to your experience when you drive. It is kind of more of like a romantic drive. I stayed in Zostel Coorg Homes in a villa, which I'll talk about in detail in my next release because वो भी information आपको किसी भी video में नहीं मिलेगी in detail. So I'll release another video separate for Zostel Coorg Homes. Regarding the sightseeing, well, I asked some of the local guys and as well Google for some suggestion and listed down some of the places to explore in Coorg. But नहीं, ये follow नहीं करना. I insist to follow these. What are the things that I'm showing in this video? Yes. So first thing, I decided to explore Mandalpatti Trek. The distance from Zostel Homes to this place was approx 25 kilometers. There are two options to reach at this peak. First, you can trek from Mandalpatti Junction. Second is you can rent a jeep in 1500 INR from Mandalpatti Junction. I opted for second option due to limited time. Well, hats off to those drivers and the jeep. The road was filled with big potholes and the ride was super bumpy. So on your way to peak, you will see Neelkunjini Flower Valley. Really, it was so amazing to see that. The valley was completely filled with, purple valley or you can say blue valley, and we were lucky enough to witness this purple valley during the blooming season that comes once in a 12 year. Can you imagine how lucky we were? The flower grows at a height of around 1300 to 2400 meters. Well, despite the pandemic, people are excitedly making their presence to witness this blue hill. The blooms happened in August. Last week extended till October. Going ahead, we parked our jeep and hiked for about 5 to 8 minutes to reach at our final destination, that is Mandalpatti Peak. The place opens on all the 7 days and the last jeep goes back to junction at around 5:30 p.m. So you should not miss the timings, what I am saying right now. You should carry some water and food items as well because you won't find any, tapri या फिर कोई stalls वगैरह as such to buy some items. So I would suggest that you should carry your food items and waters along with you. You will find the place filled with tourists, but you will also find your spot where you can sit peacefully and enjoy the nature's beauty around you. Mandalpatti promise captivating scenics and refreshing atmosphere, and hence I would say that this place is a must visit. Well, my half of the day went like this, and we decided to go for a lunch to Big Cup Cafe, which is one of the hyped cafe in Coorg. By the name, it was nothing like that, and we ordered some food which tasted average. So just one of the hyped cafe you can avoid. Seriously, you can go to any other small restaurant, or I went to this Coorg cuisine also, but बहुत रश था, काफ़ी ज़्यादा भीड़ थी, and honestly that restaurant was famous for non-vegetarian, so I was a vegetarian person. So if you are non-vegetarian, you can go there, go to the Coorg cuisine, which is very famous, serve you authentic Coorg food और कर्नाटक side food का, so आपको वो flavor मिल जाएगा. But again I'll tell you, या reservation करके जाएं या फिर बहुत पहले से जाना पड़ेगा आपको, क्योंकि बहुत लाइन लगी रहती है. It was too crowded outside, so we went there to this Big Cup Cafe. It was wasted. Moving on to our second spot, which is called as Chikli Hole Reservoir or Dam. Well, by the name, what is so interesting about this reservoir is nothing. Seriously. Being a tourist, yes, the reservoir kinda unique to see for me, but I would not suggest one to come visit here just because this being a hotspot place. From Zostel Homes, the distance is around 19 kilometers approx. There is no entry charges, and the timings starts from 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. in the evening. If you are looking for a place with some seclusion and privacy, so this is not something you should pick. I liked this waterside area to sit for some time, but not more than that, or not nothing like as such that I liked it anything there here at this place. Well, third spot is which I covered in Coorg during my days is Mallali Falls. One of the very famous and hotspot place in Coorg with in terms of waterfalls, that is Mallali Falls. Guys, be ready to go for approx 500 steps down to see Mallali Falls. I had a very bad experience because ऊपर जाने में seriously बैंड बज गई थी. नीचे तो ठीक है, fine, 500 steps उतर गए थे, चुटकियों में पता नहीं चला, but this was something नेक्स्ट लेवल, कुछ अलग ही था ऊपर आना नीचे से. To talk about Mallali Falls, first thing though, it was hell of a crowded place. Second thing, there is no way you can go close to waterfall to get some breeze. Third, no place to sit and enjoy to see this giant waterfall, and hence the drive of approx around 50 kilometers right from my place was a waste of time for me. Seriously. Fourth thing, guys, good places are coming in, but offbeat and no Google thing. Well, we found this place on our way coming back from Big Cup Cafe, and this place is called Bhadrakaleshwari Temple in Kidakal village. Honestly, टेम्पल में इतना इंटरेस्ट नहीं था. वी डिडंट थॉट ऑफ गोइंग टू द टेम्पल एंड स्पेंडिंग सम टाइम हियर, लेकिन प्लेस काफ़ी अच्छी थी, स्पॉट काफ़ी अच्छा था, यू नो, टू सिट बैक where you feel like finding your place, a seclusion place and a privacy. So this is something, a very good place that you can choose. Go to this temple, you can pray also, you can go inside to the temple. It was open, the temple was also good. Photography was not allowed, that's why I did not do that. The site was really amazing to sit back and feel the calmness. Fifth thing, again, no Google thing. So this place we found in Coorg Somvar Pit. You will not get this thing in Google, but maybe on the Google map. If you are looking for a serene, calm and secluded place to chill and relax, so this is something you people would love this for sure. And with this, the video comes to an end, but not the series. Well, the conclusion is all the places that we have covered, or the places to explore around, is approx minimum 15 to 25 or 26 kilometers away from the place where we were staying in. Or if I talk about in general, If you stay in any of the other property, the places, exploring places are around approx 15 kilometers away from where you'll be staying. So this will take a lot of time for you in terms of traveling from one place to the other place. So you should schedule your travel accordingly. Following places that you should avoid going there, which are called Malali Hills and Chikli Hole Reservoir, but other places mentioned to go for sure. Leave early around 9 to 10 a.m. to start your sightseeing, which is the best time so that you can cover as many places as possible. I guess in a one day you can cover at least 2 or 3 of the maximum places. That's where you can witness your travel time. If I talk about the days that is required to explore Coorg, are 2 days and 2 nights are good enough to explore Coorg area. Well, I'm signing off. Let me know if you have any questions about the place. I'll see you guys in my next release about the Zostel Coorg homes. So I was not staying in Zostel homes but Zostel Coorg homes. So I'll talk about more in details, which you won't find it in any of the other videos, I suppose. Till then, travel safe, stay safe and explore the world with care. Bye. Salam.